Look what I got.
What? Where'd you get that?
My dad.
What? Is that ours?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Let me see.
What's up, guys? Cinnamon rolls.
I'll do a kickflip if you need.
This dude be preying on my downfall. Now he fell down, won't get back up. Thank God you didn't.
Well, not like make them for them, but I was gonna tell you like I can put them in so you guys can. Yum!
Last night, Taylor, if you used your mushroom on that one and then just hit a 1.
I want you to stop talking right now because if you, I swear.
It's camera ready.
Yeah, your favorite.
I don't want it anymore. You're recording it?
Boom, 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 boom.
Have mercy on me. These niggas put money on my head. Gone. Bitch, you for motherfucker. I ain't dead.
Mark, I can give you the whole story. And every time.
Should it be a vlog?
A what?
A vlog?
Oh, like,
Where are we going, Taylor?
we're going to the Dana Point Harbor Boat Parade. That didn't sound very vloggy.
I
I have a scarf because I'm an adult.
feel like this is very like camcorder-y. Like, what are we doing? USA, USA. Bunnies.
That must be where every. Oh, yeah. We did it right.
Where the ocean is. Do you want to trust it? What do we want? Water?
Yeah, water. Oh no, you got two
Dollar
what are they called?
coins.
Yeah.
Oh, those are worth more
Yeah.
than $1 in sentimental
That's
value.
kind of cool.
They can't know.
Look at the show. Green, making spirits bright. No one's singing with me.
Song tonight.
Oh!
Do you want to be in my documentary?
What's this one about?
It's about people witnessing drug busts.
Ready for a Barrow parade.
Do you want to be in my documentary? It's about people who can't talk.
I don't know how to tell you this, but like, I'm so full.
You want to be in my documentary?
What's this one about?
It's about people that are really full.
Oh, that's me. Oh, yeah, I can do that.
Full of it.
No.
Permanent wave hairstyle.
I kind of feel like it can be. I have the boat in my hands. Give me the money, or you'll never see it again.
The Nina, the Pinta, the Santa Maria. Maria?
So I just want to ask you, do you want to be in my documentary?
What's your documentary about? Alcoholics.
Are you the guy with those crazy sexy girls?
The one from YouTube?
The one from YouTube.
That's me!
This is the guy with the crazy sexy girls.
These people have no idea I'm recording them.
Is this a sing-along?
What if...
Essence of Christmas.
Do you want to be in my documentary, Taylor?
Is it about how people stylishly wear scarves?
It's about people who really embody the spirit of Christmas.
Can we get a Merry Christmas?
I don't think it'll come across the same. Merry Christmas.
Not that. That was the Grinch.
They're AI. It's the real AI.
You want to be in my documentary? It's about people that need to pee that can't.
I liked the boats.
I like the boats.
No,
And
had
I
a-
like the
I-
boats.
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's it. This is where I used to park my car. That I kind of stole from. I think it's that one for sure.